and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Aldil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. You may have seen a video that we've already done on a BMW where we had a reversing camera. This is another one. This is the new BMW X3 that we've done. So it's an integrated reversing camera into the factory screen. What I'm going to do is just going to show you the rear camera, what's visible to you guys as a customer, and then also what it looks like in terms of the actual interface. So if you want to pop around, this installation's all been carried out within one day. It's a really effective solution. So if your car doesn't come with a camera, then you can have one. So as you can see here, the little cameras. This is the wedge camera that we use. It's a completely watertight. We call it a ProFit wedge camera. A really effective solution for reversing. So if you want to just step inside the vehicle now. If you're after a quote on a system like this, what we need from yourself is basically you turn your ignition on and take a picture from the rear seat showing the whole dashboard so we can tell what screen size you've got and what entertainment system there is. And then also just main thing is that we see the screen with the menu button up. So what we need to do is see how it displays on there. So we press the menu button and then take a picture with that screen there. What we're going to do, we're just going to start up the vehicle. And we're going to select reverse onto the factory screen, and as you can see here, really nice. You've got moving guidelines as well, really clear image, and that's the main thing. That's also at night as well. The little squares that you see are the parking sensors being displayed, so that's how it changes. So very similar to the factory screen. You wouldn't be able to tell at all that we've been there. Everything's hidden away. All our engineers are fit us approved as well, and all installed to the highest possible installation standards. So for more details on a system like this, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and we look forward to upgrading your BMW soon. Thank you.